Hey everyone, welcome to my first video. Today we're playing some Granny, and it might be kind of awkward because it's first video. But today we're gonna try to escape Granny's house. So I know how to play the game, and that's why I chose to make a channel about it. And also, this channel won't just be about Granny. I'll do some other games. Yeah. So we just gotta wait for Granny. Okay, I don't know if you guys heard that, but she just said I see you. Pretty sure you guys did. But anyways, yeah. Is that a floating bear trap? Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna escape the room without getting tortured by that thing. So now we just gotta wait for Granny to go. So yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, or maybe, I don't know, but she just walked past. I don't know. Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, or not. Okay, we're off to a bad start, guys. Alright. I don't know where Granny is. I think she's going to the bathroom right there. I just heard a door open. Hi. Alright, anyways. I'm gonna see where she is. Right. Let's go in here. Go. Oh shoot. Okay, that made some noise. So let's go in here. And we have a winch handle. Alright. Batteries. Okay. So anyways, let's go back here. Get Mr. Teddy. That'll make Granny mad. Okay, I don't know if she's coming or not. Oh, yep, she is. I can hear her. Unless that's me. Stay perfectly still. Right. Okay, I'm gonna risk this. Right, I'm gonna go a little bit slow. Okay, I'm feeling Granny's back here. Oh. That was you, Granny. Yep, Granny, get on with it. It's time to go. Alright. 10, 9, wait, right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna risk going. Oh shoot. Okay, that made a lot of noise. Alright, and I'm also playing with some headphones, so if I freak out. Alright, the bell. Alright, so Granny should be coming. Yep, that's her. Ooh. Alright, she's right there. Right. Alright. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go back because I feel like she's coming. You know what? Screw it. Let's just do it. What's that? Cutting pliers. Right. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, yeah, goodbye.